Here's what I got today. I got a hair clipper or the trimmer. So this is the Wahl Color Pro complete hair cutting kit. So this is the, oh, that came off. That's the model number 3193. Very hard to find this because it's all sold out. So I'll tell you what's in it. And one of the main reasons that I got this, there are two main reasons. First one is all these color-coded clippers, I guess. I think color-coded combs, it says. So I know exactly what's the size. And the other one is this is rechargeable and this is codeless. It also came with a little trimmer as well. This one is a AA battery. Battery doesn't come with it, but we had to supply the battery. That's not an issue. So those are the two main reasons why I got this one. Codeless and all these color-coded size combs. So let me show you what's on the other side. So like it said, it has this one, the main clipper, and a little trimmer. Then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cutting combs. And I really like the fact that this one has a right ear taper and a left ear taper, which is important. We cannot go to the salon. It's still shut down, so need to cut my hair. So let's take a look what's in there. So it comes in this handy pouch, but not that much concern about the pouch. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this one up. I'm going to put this aside for the moment. Okay, so these are the combs. So this one says 1.5. You may or may not be able to see this. 1.5. This one say left ear taper. You might be able to see that one. Yeah, left ear taper. So this must be the right ear taper. Yeah. So so it looks like they are pretty good. Okay, so this is half, size half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So those are the combs. I guess this must be like a barber comb. Not sure. Then this must be the styling comb. A little bit of lubrication because time to time you need to put oil into the machine. So that one is there. So that's say universal C1 select RIC clippers oil, and this is to clean. So that was in there. What else? So let's see the other ones. So I'm going to push these things aside. I assume let's take the main clipper. That's the main clipper. Pretty good weight, size, pretty good. This is for the this one comes with a protective car for the blades. I'm not sure if there's any power in it. Let's try. Oh, there is power, so it's working. That's a good thing to know. That's that. And again, here it has all the color coding ones, 1 inch, I believe that's a 7/8, like that. All the color coding is there for cutting hair. Now I'm a novice, so I'm just going to use this one till we can go back to the salons. But you know, I might get used to this and may not even go to a salon. However, if you had to go to a function or you're going for an interview, I would not suggest that you use these things to cut your hair. You may want to seek professional help. That's what I would do. For now, I'll use this one to cut my hair. So that's that, and this is the smaller one. Oh, it's a little, tiny little one. Trimmer. So you had to put a AA battery. So there we go, and also comes with a protective cover, your charger, and oh, there's something else. So this is your literature. I'm going to take a look at this in detail just to get an idea. I didn't read it, I just opened it up. Didn't get a chance to take a look at these things. And instructions are important. Safeguard, again, these are manuals and literature that you need to read. I will read that one later. And a pair of scissors. Well, yeah, you know, sometimes you will need this one to trim your beard or cut some of the hair that closest to your ear. Oh well, it's there. Anything else? No, that's it. So I'm going to put this into use today because I haven't had a haircut I use my beard trimmer to cut my hair. It was not the best. However, hopefully this will help. I need to get a haircut badly, so looking forward to using this one. So all the items are there. So we had 12 of these things, the oil and the cleaning brush, the charger, pair of scissors and 2 pairs of combs and the 2 guards. So everything that was supposed to be in the package, it's in. It says that you can up to 60 minutes of cordless use. So that is impressive. So that's good, and you can easily clean them with water. So I'm looking forward to using this one, and I'm happy with the quality. I'm very familiar with Wahl products. I have another trimmer that I for my beard, and I used it and had it for many years. So I'm very familiar with their product, their quality, and I feel it's heavy. I think the quality is good. Even these little combs, they don't feel cheap. I did pay quite a premium for this one, about $60 Canadian. I believe this was the last set that was available in Canada. I will try to put a link to Amazon where you can get this one. But they are going on eBay for $120 US now, this same kit. So because everybody needs to cut their hair, I think everybody's buying it. I'm looking forward to using this one. I'm happy with my purchase, and feels like they're good quality product. Hope you like this little unboxing and review. I might even do another little video after I use it 6 months later and say, hey, it's good. But I know this is good because of the quality products, and I have used their products before. Thank you for watching.